Today is a day of celebration.
We didn't expect to be 100%. Alright.
Today is a day of celebration. We are gathered here, four friends, surrounded by incredible beauty, to celebrate life, love, and the beauty of relationship. Let these rings, which you are about to exchange, serve to remind you that a circle is a symbol of the sun, the earth, and the universe. A circle has no beginning and no ending. It is a symbol of wholesomeness, peace, and completeness. As you continue with your journey by your side, live your life with passion, compassion, and excitement. Play, dance, and make footprints in the sun here in Hopkins. Sail in the gentleness of the water. As you go on your expedition, climb the mountains together, laugh together, cry together, smile often as you go like this. Make life magical and extraordinary. Be happy. You will be partners in love for life. Remembering, while sailing on the great seas of marriage, to always be each other's best friend. Now, having witnessed the vows that you have made to each other, surrounded by your love, the sun, the tropical Caribbean Sea, and by the loving grace of God, and the authority vested in you, it is my esteemed honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Terry, you have the distinct honor of kissing you. Congratulations on your very historic day today, and may your marriage last forever and ever.
You guys couldn't have found a better guy.
Thanks for coming, you guys.
Yeah. Thanks for all your help too.
Yeah, thank you.
There's my wife.
Our bedroom.
Do
Did your sheets get changed?
Yeah. Wow, it's pretty.
So pretty.
Derek, as you place the rings on her finger, kindly repeat after me. You know it's a date, don't rush it.